Hello, PanelHook here with the panel carrier that fits in your pocket. This flexible panel carrier makes it easy for a single person to pick up a panel. You put the panel carrier on the ground, you can drop the panel on it. Because it's adjustable, you can change the height so that you can see over it, even if it's a 5-foot wide panel. Once you get the panel placed on the carrier, you can use your knees to lift it instead of your back, save your back. Once you get a hold of it, it's easy to maneuver, even in a tight space for a single person. But this panel carrier can also be used by two people. If you've got two 5x10 panels taped together, they can be pretty heavy, so if you're carrying them a distance, you might want to use two people and use two carriers. Because the carrier is so versatile, whether you're short or tall, whether the panel's short or tall panel, you can adjust the carrier to fit the circumstances or your height. You can use it for loading and unloading panels. It's easy to switch and load a panel from two people to one person and back. It's so easy to use this panel carrier because it's so flexible, so adjustable, so versatile. It's just that easy to use. Get yours today at PanelHook.com. Get the hook.